Sir, I would like to tell in a very short format because பெரியவங்கெல்லாம் இருக்காங்க. நான் வயசில் சின்னவன், உங்களை வாழ்த்த முடியாது. ஆனால் எங்கிட்ட எத்தனை பேருக்கு தெரியும்னு தெரியாது, நெல்லூரில் வந்து நீங்கள் பண்ணுற ட்ரஸ்ட்டுக்கு, நீங்கள் பண்ணுற ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் மேடம் மூலிமா, it is not an easy joke to run a trust and not an easy joke to run it continuously. You are not just a politician, you are an inspiration. You are an inspiration to not just politicians. You are an inspiration to a person who wants to lead a good life. It is not a joke. 50 years in politics, half a century அடிச்சிட்டீங்க, செஞ்சுரி அடிக்கணும். ஏன்னா உங்களை போன்ற அரசியல்வாதிகள் இருக்கும்போது தான் மற்றவர்கள் அதை பார்த்து அது உணர்ந்து அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அரசியல்வாதியாக இருக்கணும்னு ஒரு எண்ணம் வரும். ஏன் எனக்கே வரும். நான் உங்களை பர்சனலாக தெரியுன்றதுனால நான் இது சொல்லலை. ஆனால் நான் எப்போ உங்களை சந்திக்கும் போது, நான் வரும்போது, I have a lot of positivity in me. I take positivity from you. I just don't fall on your feet because you are elder to me. I fall on your feet to touch positivity. It's very nice. நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இந்த மனிதர் வந்து சாதாரண மனிதர் இல்லை, ரொம்ப இயல்பாக எளிமையாக இருப்பார், அதிகம் பேச மாட்டார். ஆனால் உங்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் நீங்கள் வந்திருக்க அனைத்து நெஞ்சங்கள் வந்து அவரை மனசார வாழ்த்துறதுக்காக வந்திருக்கீங்க. எஸ், he deserves best wishes. He deserves all your blessings. And of course, I deserve your blessings, sir. I am really honored to be here. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak, because it gives me an honor to speak about a great person in life. Not many people will remember who's the Vice President of India if we ask in any part of the country. Today's youngsters are like that. Not many people, if you ask them who's the President of India, nobody will know. But if you ask 9 out of 10 people who's the Vice President of India, they will say Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. That is the name you have inculcated. உங்களுக்கு அந்த பேர் வந்தது காரணமே வந்து உங்களோட செயல்பாடு தான். ஒருத்தரோட செயல்பாடு தான் வந்து அவங்க எப்படி எப்பேற்பட்டவங்க, எத்தனை பேர் வச்சிருக்காங்க, எத்தனை நல்ல பேர் இருக்காங்க, கூட எத்தனை பேர் இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்திருக்க அத்தனை பேர் வந்து மனசார நீங்கள் அவரை வாழ்த்துறதுக்காக வந்திருக்கீங்க. சும்மா ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனு லீலா பேலஸில் வச்சுட்டாங்க, எங்கிட்ட வந்து அவர் கூப்பிட்டாரு, வந்தே ஆகணும், போயே ஆகணும், கட்டாயம், அப்படியெல்லாம் எதுவுமே இல்லை. உங்கள் முகத்திலே தெரியுது, நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் அவரை பார்க்குறதுக்கு ஏங்கிட்டு இன்னைக்கு வந்து இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் வந்து சந்திக்கிறதுக்கு வந்திருக்கீங்க. உங்கள் எல்லோரும் சார்பாக நான் மறுபடி ஐயா, ஆல் த வெரி பெஸ்ட். I want more politicians to be like you. A lot of people like me, common people, we expect politicians like you. Because we take inspiration, we respect, and we expect also for the betterment of the country. And hats off to what you're doing in Nellore. Nellore Trust ki meer chesne panlanta చాలా గొప్ప విషయమ్మా. ఒక సంవత్సరం 2 సంవత్సరం అందరూ ట్రస్ట్, నేను ట్రస్ట్ ఫాలో చేస్తున్నాను. కానీ కంటిన్యూస్గా పిల్లల కోసం, అన్ని విషయాల కోసం మీరు చేసేది వచ్చి మనసారా మీరు చేస్తున్నారు. ఆ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది. ఆ దేవుడు ఎప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని ఆశీర్వదిస్తారు. సార్ని ఎప్పుడు ఇలాగే సార్ ఇంత సైలెంట్గా ఉన్నారు కానీ లోపల చాలా వైలెంట్. సార్ చూడడానికి చాలా నార్మల్గా ఉంటారు కానీ ఆయనలో ఉన్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఆయనలో ఉన్న ఒక విషయం ఒక బుక్గా రాస్తే అది ఒక ఎన్సైక్లోపీడియాగా ఉంటుంది. దయచేసి ఎవరైనా సమ్మన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎనీవన్, ఎనీ గుడ్ రైటర్, because I don't know how to write much. Probably I'll write a love letter to him. But someone, I wish, write his autobiography and show it to the future in generation. I'm not joking, Aya. Today, even if my driver, if I ask him who's the vice president, he says Venkaiah Naidu garu. That is where you've reached. You've reached millions of hearts, and I hope you will reach more and more and more. And your service is needed for this country, Aya. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words, Vishal Garu. You have always been great supporter, and with just a very short time notice, you have made it here. Thank you very much, wholeheartedly, and thank you.